हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवीएम डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, राजस्थान। Today we discuss about advantage and disadvantage of sampling. May define as the procedure in which a sample is selected from an individual or a group of people of certain kind of research purpose. In sampling, the population is divided into a number of parts called sampling units. Advantage of sampling. Sampling ensures convenience, collection of intensive and suitability in limited resources. In addition to this, sampling has the following advantage. Lowest cost of sampling. If data were to be collected for the entire population, the cost will be very high. A sample is a small population of a population, so the cost will be lower if data is collected for a sample of population, which is a big advantage. Less time consuming in sampling. Use of sampling take less times also. It consumes less time than census techniques, tabulations, analysis, etc. Next, scope of sampling is high. The investigator is concerned with the generalization of data to study a whole population. In order to arrive at generalization would be impartial. Some populations are so large that their characteristics could not be measured. Before the measurement has been completed, the population would have changed. But the process of sampling makes it possible to arrive at generalization by studying the variable within a small population of the population. Accuracy of data is very high, having depicted a sample and computed the desired descriptive statistics. It is possible to determine the stability of the obtained sample value. It permits a high degree of accuracy due to a limited area of operation. Moreover, careful execution of fieldwork is possible. Ultimately, the result of sampling study turn out to be sufficiently accurate. Next advantage is organization of convenience. Organization Organizational problems involved in sampling are very few. Since sample is of a small size, vast facilities are not required. Sampling is therefore economical in respect of resources. A study of sample involves less space and equipment. Suitable in limited resources. The resources available within an organization may be limited. Studying the entire universe is not viable. The population can be satisfactorily covered through sampling. Where limited resources exist, use of sampling is an appropriate strategy. While conducting marketing research, an effective research study required a good rapport between the researcher and respondents. when the population of a study is large. The problem of report arises. This advantage of sampling. The consistency of the sampling depends upon the suitability of sampling methods. The purpose of sampling theory is to take sampling more efficient. Disadvantage of sampling may be discussed under the head. First, chance of bias. The serious limitation of the sampling method is that it involves biasness of selections and thereby lead us to illustrate innocuous conclusions. Bias arises when the methods of selection of sample employed is faulty. Relative small sample properties properly selected may be much more dependable than large inadequate selected samples. Next, difficulties in selecting truly representative sampling. Difficulties in selecting a truly representative sample procedure accurate result only when they are represent of whole group. Selection of truly representative sampling is difficult. When the phenomena under study of a complex nature, selecting good of sample is difficult. Next, inadequate knowledge in the subjects. Use of sampling method required to adequate subject-specific knowledge in sampling techniques. Sampling involves statistical analysis and conclusions of probable errors. When the researcher lacks of specialized knowledge in sampling, he may commit serious mistakes. Consequently, the result of the study will misleading. Changeability of units. When the units of population are not homogeneous, the sample technique will be unscientific. In sampling, though number of cases is small, it is not always easy to strict to select cases. The unit of sample may be widely disparate. Some of the cases of sample may not be cooperate with the researcher and some other may be inaccessible. Because of this problem, all the cases may not be taken up. The selected cases may have to be replaced by other cases. Thank you.